everyone, Flamer Brian 26 here from another Minecraft video. Now guys, we're recording a new Minecraft video from Toolbox. How to make a toolbox. How to use Toolbox like that for Minecraft. My real name is Erwin and I'm a Filipino. Now that's tell it to anyone because we're watching Filipino styles. So let's start Toolbox. Now guys, please vote for me always. Always like my video, subscribe. Because my grandfather, he go to the hospital 2 times, guys. So worried about him. I'm not only the worried. We all of my family is worried about him. He's only good. He's better now, but his left leg not yet better. Sorry for speaking wrong grammar. Okay? I'm just a kid. I have a friend, and I will record with my friend. Okay, guys? And I have a school. I'm in TAPS. Tap Achiever Pirate School Incorporated. They're where they're where you speak English. Sit this. Now guys, I'm just 9 years old, guys. Okay. Now let's start recording the video. Just get away. Just get away. Just get away. Really, that's taking so long. And we're back. Okay. Now we're back, guys. Another Minecraft video now. Hey guys, this is how we learn how to use Toolbox now, guys. And leave a like and do not unlike this video. Subscribe, please do not unlike the video because my grandpa. Just see again. Now we're here. World. Now let's start. This is the player menu. You can survival or creative. I'm survival now. Now I can be creative. Survival, creative, like that. And heal and kill. Heal, it's heal you. And kill, you just die. When you're survival, you can use fly, no clip. No, like this. Stop. Like that, right? Flying now in survival. And I just use no clip. Let's do a little bit damage because level. Now the experience orb, that's the level. And if you set it max, that's the max one. Automatically place sprint. You'll just sprint your way max, but double times. But it's a little bit glitchy, guys. Now date, night, day. This is the world menu. If it is day or not normal, it will just clear the game. These now keep inventory. Now the word when you die, just keep your diet item. So when you mine a block, it will drop now. And if it is off, when you mine a block, it will not drop anymore. And teleport. Now this is my teleport. So we can show you the where meter like that. I know, and you can teleport there. Just press it by using it. Now add new teleport. Means guys, add new teleport. Add new teleport. It means you will add a new teleportation. For example, that one. There where you die. If you die, the dead point, show up here. Version effects. Infinity, it will never end. Your timer, it will never end. Have you on like this? Super mega helium. Quick add. There where you find items. That full diamond set is where you can, full diamond set. Like diamond armor, diamond chestplate, diamond leggings, diamond boots, and diamond sword. That's all. Rapid build. This is what I'm waiting for, guys. Now we need to be waiting. I show that now. Rapid build. When we on the rapid build, sign there, and we don't need a wooden axe. This is an example of rapid. Like that. And you must hold the item. If you don't hold the item, just press fill or it's just air. Hello, it's just when you create a giant box, when you break the hole, it will just show a giant space inside of it, guys. Now like this. Example, fill. I fill it now because I'm holding the item. And try this stuff, guys. The other stuff. Render distance or render selections like that. Show tip. It means you need to show. You can see the red things like that. I don't know. Command mode. When you off it, enable X-ray. So if and then when you now render players, you can just see player render thingies. And now to the X-ray, you can see lots of it there. To remove something, just remove the lava. Now the lava is gone. Now on it, when it's green, all of it is on. When it's just example, you want diamond black. There's some diamonds there. And X-ray off. Minimap scale. You can now see the minimap. If we on it like this. Just show all of the minimap, and then just back into normal. There is it normal. Now minimap radius. Minimap scale, make it big. Now minimap radius, shows the radius. More like you can see better and farther. Then when it's super duper low, you can see it far and lower and lower. You can see keys. This is the hacking ability. Automatic walk. You can quite easily just walk. Tap to teleport. Now you can tap to just tap to teleport, tap, everything you will tap. Immortally, this is the one you cannot die. Toolbox side jump. Now, like this. And write immortally. And then I'll be served. fly, survival. Now we need to fly like this. And then, mortally, you cannot die, but you will die of drowning, burning, and that's all. And like this, fall damage. But no fall damage. Now guys, 2 blocks side jump. Now, like this, you can jump high. Yeah, like that. Now, guys, the 1 tap stack and tap it with that. Now we're just gonna find some mobs, okay? What mob can I choose? Got some mob. Come on. I'll just summon cow. Release. What? Release. What? Tap. Oh. Release. Stop. Release. Like that. What's that 1 top stack? I should just search it. Sorry, guys. And remember, if you don't like this video, give me sad. Sorry for everything. Now kill a raw. Enemies. Later, I will use all of that packs. Not only all of it, but some of it. Kill a raw is instant kill. You can. No, it's not instant kill, but you need, you don't need to tap it now like that. Yeah, instant kill. You know that? Now that, if you punch a mob, instant kill. Just, that. Now, leave when 8 hearts left. You're just gonna leave now. You just, automatically you will leave when your heart is 8. Now, let's assess what I'm saying a while back. So let's go for it. Woo! Down. Stop. Let go while it wag. Now, now 1 tap stack on instead of Gilera morally.